Hello everyone, Shravan Manthri here. Welcome to our channel CSE Gurus. In the previous video we have done with this solve me first question, which is in the HackerRank problem solving. Now we'll go to the simple array sum. Anyway, this is in the subdomain warm up. So we'll see this question now. I have given the link of this question in the description. You can check the link. So the problem statement here, it is asking simple array sum. So the elements are given in an array. You just have to print the sum. If it is 1, 2, 3, the total is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. You must return it. So complete the simple array function. If you see the some more test cases, there are n value it is given 6 elements, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 10 plus 11 has to be done, which is 31 is the output. You need to get it. It's a simple elements has to be made it as sum. So the logic here, it is simple to take each and every element and you have to make it sum. We will see the code in C language. We directly will go to the function definition. So here is the function definition. You can see here the int has to be written. The sum, simple array sum, is a method which takes AR here, pointer AR, which is a list of elements. What is AR underscore count? Which is the number of elements in a list. For example, if you take 5 elements, AR underscore count is 5. Here the code, you can see s equals 0 initialized, and every time it will take the elements and makes it sum. For example, if I take AR underscore count initialized with something like 5 elements, maybe 10, 7, 5, 6, 4, it will take, like, it is index. Every time it takes s equals 0 plus AR of 5. What is the AR of 0? 10, which will be 0 plus 10, which is 10. Next index it will take I plus plus, which is 7, 10 plus 7, 17. Next index value which is taken 17 plus 5, which is 22. Next 6, which is 28, and next which is 32. So the value of the sum is 32, that will be returned if you take this example. Like this we can write with respect to a for loop to get the sum of elements in an array. We will try to execute here, run the code. Yes, the test case is passed. Submit the code. So all the given 3 test cases are passed. Even you can see like this, what is the test case? 10 elements, what is the sum like this? Test case 2. So like this you can have the values. Like this easily you can write the code in C. And also I recommend you to watch the top 90 data structure MCQs, and here I kept totally 18 videos, which is of 5 MCQs each video. Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can see each one, you can either go for playlist or you can watch it as a single video. We will see this compare the triplets in the next video lecture. Thank you.